imagine creating a fully AI-generated digital influencer, one that looks ultra-realistic, appears in stunning visuals, and even generates passive income. Well, that's exactly what I did. First, I designed this AI-powered character, maintaining a consistent look across all images. Then, I transformed it into a dynamic video clip using AI tools. And the best part, I set up a subscription tier where people can pay me to watch my influencer content. Sounds fascinating, right? In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create your own AI influencer, bring it to life in videos, and monetize it through platforms like dFans. This could be a game changer for content creation, so stick around till the end. To create a consistent AI character, the first step is to go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt for the type of image you want. For example, I'll ask it to create an image of a woman taking a selfie on her phone. ChatGPT will generate a highly detailed prompt that describes the image perfectly. Once you have your prompt, go to GetImageAI. The link is in the description. Paste your prompt, select the aspect ratio, choose the number of images, and hit Generate. Look at the results. They are absolutely stunning. If you want to make any changes, you can tweak the prompt and regenerate the images until you get exactly what you want. This AI model looks so real that no one would believe it's AI generated. Simply download it. Now, in the same way, I have generated another model and the result is amazing. If you want to create a consistent character across multiple images, you can use the model training feature on GetImageAI. Upload the AI-generated image up to 10 times, and the system will train on it, allowing you to generate more images of the same character. However, this feature requires paid credits. If you're looking for a free alternative, Leonardo AI is a great option. Simply go to Leonardo AI and select the consistent character option. Choose character reference. Upload the AI-generated image. Set the strength to high, choose your model, styles, and aspect ratio, then enter your prompt and generate the image. Look at this. Amazing! Then I asked for a model sitting on her bed, and here's the result. Now, I'll try a selfie in a car in daylight, and again, it has maintained the same face across different settings. So, whether you choose GetImageAI, which is paid, or Leonardo AI, which is free, you now have a fully developed AI model that you can use consistently in different images. If you want a more detailed tutorial on creating AI characters, check out my other videos. The links are in the description. Now that we have an AI-generated model, let's bring it to life with video. Head over to Hailuo AI. The link is in the description. Sign up with your Google account and start generating videos. Simply upload your AI-generated influencer model and type a short prompt describing what you want the model to do. For example, I'll write, "smiling while taking a selfie." Let's generate it and check the result. Wow, look at this. It's so realistic. Now let's try another one. This time I'll make the model talk. I'll enter talking video in the prompt and generate. And here's the result. It's absolutely mind-blowing. AI technology has advanced so much that you can now create fully functional virtual influencers with just a few clicks. Now, to remove the watermarks from the video, go to the website VMake. The link is in the description box below. Simply upload your video and within seconds, it will remove the watermark for you. If you are unable to download the video due to a paid subscription, you can use IDM Video Downloader to download the videos for free. Alright, so now we have watermark-free videos and they are ready to be uploaded and monetized. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, earning money. We'll use a platform called dFans. The link is in the description. So, what exactly is dFans? It's a platform where creators can monetize their exclusive content by offering paid subscriptions. Think of it like a mix of Patreon and OnlyFans, but with more flexibility and ease of use. Creators can upload images, videos, and other digital content, and fans pay to access it through subscription tiers or one-time purchases. The best part? It's a decentralized platform, meaning there are fewer restrictions, faster payments, and better earning opportunities for creators. To get started, simply sign up with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. To become a creator on dFans, you need to apply. Click on Become a Creator, then click Apply Now. Fill out the application form with your username, country, and other required information. Then submit it. Your application will be reviewed within 1 or 2 business days. Unlike other platforms that make it difficult to get approved, dFans is creator-friendly and allows almost everyone to start earning. Once your application is accepted, you can start uploading content and creating subscription tiers. Click on New Post and upload an image or video of your AI influencer. I'll upload an image, add a caption, then decide whether you want the post to be free or paid. If you want to make it exclusive, create a subscription tier by clicking Add Subscriber Tier. Name the tier, set a price between $10 and $200 per month, and save it. You can also create a collection, which lets you bundle multiple posts together for a set price. Upload a cover image, add a title and description, set your price, and save. In the same way, I'll upload my influencer video and set a subscription tier. Now, when people visit your profile, they will see your content blurred. To unlock it, they need to subscribe or buy access to your collections. This means people will be paying to see the AI-generated influencer content you upload. You can even bring your audience from Instagram, Facebook, or other platforms to dFans and start monetizing them. Now let's talk about withdrawing your earnings. dFans pays in USDT, which is a stable cryptocurrency. Simply go to your wallet, enter your USDT wallet address, and withdraw your money instantly. There is no long waiting period, no complicated payout system. Just a few clicks, and your earnings are in your wallet. You can use any crypto wallet that supports USDT to receive your funds, making the process fast and convenient. And that's it. You've just learned how to create an AI influencer, turn it into videos, and monetize it using dFans. AI is changing the game, and this is just the beginning. Imagine having multiple AI influencers earning for you 24/7 without any effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI business hacks. Let me know in the comments what you think about this AI influencer revolution. Also, check out the links in the description to try everything out for yourself. See you in the next video. Until then, keep innovating and keep earning.